That's right. Oedro reached out to me, wanted to know if I needed any parts for my truck to do a review on. And I got a tri-fold bed cover for my truck, which is awesome because I've been looking for one. And why pay for one when you can do a review? So I haven't even opened this yet. I've never installed a bed cover myself. All the ones I've had have already been on the vehicles when I got them. They look simple enough to do. I don't know if the plastic bed cover is going to get in the way or not. This thing has a plastic liner, and I honestly don't like it. But they have screws in there holding it in the front for this rubber mat and stuff. Yeah, and I got a bunch of tow straps. That's what you do whenever you're towing vehicles all the time. The nice thing being, when I put this on, when I lock the doors on this one, it also locks the tailgate. So I'll have locked storage in the back of my truck, which is nice. Then being a tri-fold is even nicer because you can just fold it up very easily and tuck it up away or take it off the truck, which is awesome. So let me go ahead and open this up. I'm assuming there's instructions, but if not, we're going to figure this out, okay? Another big thing I'm going to add, they were extremely quick getting this to me. So it has to come from a US warehouse because I swear it was yesterday that I agreed to do the review and it was here today. So this looks like it's extremely easy to install. Like, it's already together and all you have to do is put some clamps up under the bed. It shows like a box cutter on here and cutting holes in the liner if you have one. So I'm probably gonna have to cut some holes in this liner. That's what it looks like. All right, so what I'm seeing is these frames have hooks that are gonna go in and clamp it. These are extra ones to also clamp it in place. And these are movable, so you can move it to where there's a spot to actually hook it. So let me try to get, this is the back that goes against the cab. Let me try to get this up there and get it latched in. And it looks like there's not going to be any hooks across the front, so I don't have to worry about cutting that. But I think I am going to have to take those whole plugs out. I got one out on this side, but there's one over there that's still in. So let me get up here and figure this out, and then I'll show you. Okay, so let me show you. All I've done so far is I have put these clamps right here in, and I left them loose. That way, if I need to move it forward or backwards, I can. There's 3 different slots for different bed sides, so I assume that this works for several different beds. But this thing pulls up, and then you slide this plastic piece in here, left or right, and the outer notches are what work on mine on both sides, so I left them loose. The seals are already on this. There's these buckles here to hold it. We're going to unbuckle them so we can unravel this. We're going to unfold this and see where we're at. Look how good they packaged this up. Now these latches are quick latches, like ones that you just flip and they tighten. So it's going to make this a lot easier. So let me go ahead and get these unpackaged, get this adjusted, and we'll see what this looks like. Alright, so obviously I got a little bit of adjusting to do. I'm going to loosen the front clamps, and then I need to tighten the back down. But I do almost have it where I want it. I mean, it's pretty close. Only thing I'm not liking is this, and I think after it's out in the sun for a little bit, I think these will stretch out. But they do give you a whole bunch of extra stuff, extra seal, extra clamps for the hold downs, extra threaded pieces right here for inside of these things. So that's pretty nice. And then here's like corner pieces of seal, which I'm gonna have to add some seal. As you can see, I see daylight up there in that corner on both sides. I'm willing to admit when I make mistakes. I just made a mistake on this thing. Okay, so I was cutting the liner because I thought that this had to go up there. It turns out this had to go down where those hooks are. I had to take one of those hooks out. That's not a factory option. Somebody added those in. So they had to come out, and this has to go down in one of those holes. Anyways, I was trying to cut that liner, and I slipped, and my box cutter went right up over the tonneau cover. So I put a hole in it. Oedro, if you're watching this, I don't expect you to, but if you would send me out another one, I would really appreciate it. That sucks. Okay, so while I have a box propped underneath there to hold a patch that I made that is glued to the bottom of it. Yeah, okay. I'll show you that later. They do give you a really, I'm going to say it's a cheap light, okay? It definitely is. But it works. Nothing special, but it will be nice at nighttime if I'm working in the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in here where I can reach it. When I clamp that down, it closed that gap up in the corners. There's actually a seal in there, and when you tighten it down, it closed that gap, so you actually can't see light through there. Now, the only place you can't see light is where I poked a hole through it. My lovely mistake. It's nice. It's real nice. And all things aside, this bed cover is actually relatively cheap. I don't know if they're giving me a discount code, but if there is, there will be a link down in the description. There's also, or with my code for a discount code. But yeah, I mean, not bad. I think it's in the 250 range, 200 to 250 range, somewhere around there. And that's pretty nice for all the more that is. So absolutely no tools are needed to put this on from what I experienced. Everything is a finger clamp, like you twist your fingers, or a strap, or like these. Everything's adjustable by twisting it, and then you clamp it down. It works really good. For the price, I'm not mad at it. I would pay that much for one of these, and this is pretty nice. I might have to actually pay for one since I poked a hole in it. But if you like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing, hit that dislike button if your mom's used to getting poked, and we'll see you on the next episode of Unwrecked. Just chilling. Just taking up all her leg room. You sleepy? Huh?
Oh, he's sniffing it.
Come here. Come on. There you are. Do you want to say hi? Well, the purse started already. I'm dirty. Probably shouldn't be petting you. You're going to get dirty. You don't care. What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? Bye-bye.